Hello, listeners. Welcome back to Unlock English and Speak. I am Leo.
And I am Charlotte. We are so happy to have you here with us today.
Today, we have a very useful episode. It is practical, it is real life.
Yes, Leo, today we are going to the store. We are talking about shopping.
Everyone loves shopping, right? But shopping in English can be scary if you do not know the right questions.
Exactly. Today we will learn two very important questions: how much and how many.
These questions help you ask about quantity and they help you ask about money.
If you want to buy apples or water or a new shirt, you need this lesson.
Let's start. Are you ready, Charlotte?
I am ready. Let's unlock our English.
Charlotte, imagine we are at a supermarket. You see some apples. You want to buy them. What do you look at?
I look at the apples. I can count them. 1 apple, 2 apples, 3 apples.
Perfect. This brings us to our first key word. Listen carefully. Countable nouns.
Countable nouns.
Countable nouns are things we can count using numbers. They are separate things.
For example, in apple, you can say 1 apple or 2 apples.
Another example is a book. 1 book, 5 books.
Or a chair. 1 chair, 10 chairs.
Listeners, please repeat with me. Countable nouns.
Countable nouns.
Great job. Now, Charlotte, what if I want to buy water? Can I count water? Can I say 1 water, 2 waters?
No, Leo, that sounds strange. You cannot count the liquid. This is our second key word. Uncountable nouns.
Uncountable nouns.
Uncountable nouns are things we cannot count individually. They are usually liquids or powders or big ideas.
For example, water. You just say water. You do not say 2 waters. You say a bottle of water.
Another example is rice. You cannot count every small grain of rice. It is just rice.
Or sugar. You do not say 3 sugars. You say sugar.
Let's try one more. Money.
Wait, Charlotte, I can count money. $1, $2.
This is a common mistake. You can count dollars. Dollars are countable, but the word money is uncountable. You do not say 1 money, 2 monies.
That is a great point. So, money is uncountable. Listeners, please repeat. Uncountable nouns.
Uncountable nouns.
Okay, now we know about things we count and things we do not count. How do we ask questions about them?
We use our next key phrase. How many?
How many?
We use how many with countable nouns.
So, if I want apples, I ask, how many apples do you want?
Exactly, because you can count apples. 1 apple, 2 apples, 3 apples. How many friends do you have?
I have many friends. How many books did you buy?
I bought 3 books. Listeners, remember this rule. If you can count it with numbers, use how many.
Let's practice. Repeat after me. How many apples?
How many apples?
How many cars?
How many cars?
Very good. Now, what about the things we cannot count, like water or sugar?
For those, we use our next key phrase, how much.
How much?
We use how much with uncountable nouns.
So I say, how much water do you drink?
Yes. Or how much sugar do you want in your coffee?
Or how much time do we have? Time is uncountable too.
Correct. Listeners, repeat with us. How much water?
How much water?
How much sugar?
How much sugar?
You are doing great. Now, Leo, there is a very special use for how much.
I think I know this one. It is the most important question when shopping.
Yes, we use how much to ask for the price, to ask about the cost.
When you want to know the price, you always say, how much?
You can say, how much is this?
Or, how much does it cost?
Let's learn that word, cost.
Cost. C-O-S-T.
Cost means the price you must pay to buy something.
For example, the cost of this apple is $1.
Or, as a verb, this shirt costs $20.
Listeners, repeat this useful question. How much does it cost?
How much does it cost?
Excellent. So, Charlotte, imagine I'm at a clothing store. I see a beautiful jacket, but the price is very high. It costs $1,000.
Wow, Leo, that is a lot of money. We have a word for that. Expensive.
Expensive.
Expensive means it costs a lot of money. It is not cheap.
For example, Ferrari cars are expensive.
Or that diamond ring is very expensive.
If something is expensive, maybe I don't buy it. I need to save my money.
Listeners, repeat the word expensive.
Expensive. But Leo, what if you are lucky? What if the jacket is not $1,000 today? What if it's usually $1,000, but today it's $500?
Oh, I love that. That's our next phrase, on sale.
On sale.
On sale means the item has a lower price than normal. It's a special offer.
For example, look, these shoes are on sale. They are 50% off.
Or, I love to shop when things are on sale. I save money.
Listeners, this is a happy phrase. Repeat it. On sale.
On sale.
Okay, Leo, let's practice. Let's do a role play.
Great idea. I will be the shop assistant. You are the customer.
Okay, I am entering your store. Hello.
Hello. Welcome to Leo's Market. How can I help you?
I would like to buy some oranges. How much are the oranges?
The oranges are very fresh today. They cost $2 for 1 kilogram.
That's a good price. They're not expensive.
No, they are cheap. How many oranges do you want?
I want 5 oranges, please.
Okay, here are 5 oranges. Anything else?
Yes, do you have rice?
Yes, we have rice.
How much rice is in this bag?
That bag has 1 kilogram of rice.
Perfect. And is the rice on sale?
Yes, it is on sale today. It is only $1.
Wonderful. I will take it.
How much is the total?
Let me check. The total is $3.
Here is my money.
Thank you. Here is your receipt.
Oh, that's a new word, receipt.
Yes, let's explain it. Receipt. R-E-C-E-I-P-T.
A receipt is the small paper they give you after you pay. It shows what you bought and how much you paid.
For example, please keep your receipts in case you want to return the shirt.
Or, the cashier gave me the receipt.
The P in receipt is silent. You do not say receipt, you say receipt.
Listeners, try to say it. Receipt.
Receipt.
Good job. That was a fun role play, Leo.
It was. It shows how we use countable and uncountable in real life.
Remember the simple rule. Can you count it 1, 2, 3? Use how many.
Is it a liquid, a powder, or money? Use how much.
And if you want to know the price,
Always use how much. How much is this?
you guys are learning so fast. I'm impressed.
Learning English is like building a house. You put one brick at a time.
Today, you added some strong bricks to your house. You learned countable and uncountable nouns.
You learned to ask about prices. You learned words like expensive, on sale, and receipt.
Don't worry if you make mistakes. If you say how much apples, people will still understand you.
Yes, communication is the most important thing, but practicing the correct way makes you more confident.
Exactly. You are capable of speaking great English. Just keep practicing.
Before we finish, let's review our vocabulary one last time very quickly.
Countable nouns, things you count, like apples.
Uncountable nouns, things you measure, like water.
How many, for numbers. How many books?
How much, for amounts and prices. How much money? How much is this?
Cost, the price. It costs $5.
Expensive. It costs a lot of money.
On sale, a special low price.
And lastly, receipt, the paper record of your shopping.
We hope you feel ready to go shopping in English now.
Yes, go buy something nice, maybe something on sale.
Leo, do you have a motivational thought for us today?
I do, Charlotte. It connects to our topic of counting.
Please share it.
Here is the quote. Every new word you learn is like a coin in your pocket. Save them, and you will be rich in knowledge.
I love that. So today, our listeners put many coins in their pockets.
Exactly. Every word has value. Do not count the days. Make the days count.
Thank you for listening to Unlock English and Speak.
If you like this episode, please subscribe and share it with a friend who is learning English.